It's never too late to learn. Keep your English journey going. Perfect forms. Have shot.
John, have you shot any videos today?
Yes, I've shot 2 short clips for my project.
Really? Have you shot the final scene yet?
Not yet. I've shot everything except the ending.
Good job. Let me know when you've shot it.
Sure, I'll tell you right away.
Lily, how is your shooting practice?
Sir, I have shot all my bullets.
Good. How many targets do you have shot?
I have shot 3 targets, sir.
Okay, go rest now. You trained very well today.
Yes, sir. I will go to the office and rest for a while.
Hey, how was your practice today?
Pretty good. I have shot many balls at the goal.
Nice! How many goals have you shot?
I have shot 3 goals.
Great! I have shot only 1 goal today.
It's okay. We have shot better than yesterday.
Yeah, let's take a break. I'm really tired.
Sounds good. Come on, I'll get us some juice to cool down.
Perfect, let's go.
Let's listen.
I've shot 2 short clips for my project. I've shot everything except the ending.
I have shot all my bullets.
How is your shooting practice?
I have shot 3 targets.
I have shot many balls at the goal.
How many goals have you shot?
I have shot only 1 goal today. We have shot better than yesterday.